This is a short practice you can return to at any moment to settle, to clear, and to come back to yourself. Begin by becoming physically still, wherever you are, lying down, sitting down, or standing. Choose a posture that feels stable and at ease. Let the body organize itself naturally. Gently close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes open like gazing into the horizon. Bring your awareness to what is present right now. No need to change anything. Let the weight of your body be received. Allow gravity to hold you. Feel your weight sinking into the points of contact, the floor, the chair, or the ground beneath you. Sense the quiet support that is already here. What sensations are present? Have you noticed tension or resistance, especially around discomfort? Don't store gently. No forcing, no fixing, just allowing. Let each exhale soften the body a little bit more. Release downward, settle deeper. Notice thoughts as they arise and pass. No need to follow them, no need to push them away. Let them move through the mind like passing clouds. Showing up and dissolving. Notice feelings and emotions in the same way. Can they be allowed to come and go? Let everything be included in awareness. Held with a steady and kind attention. Now, begin to gather your awareness around the breath within the body. Not the surface breath, but deeper. Feel the movement in the front of the body, the back, and the sides. Let awareness rest inside the breath itself, as if the breath is moving through you and you are resting within. Follow the natural ebb and flow of inhalation and exhalation, again and again. Each time the mind wanders gently, return home. No judgment, just return. Now allow your awareness to expand. Include the whole body, the way, the shape, the presence of the body as a whole. If it is a discomfort, let awareness remain open. Don't exclude anything. Let the experience be just as is. Meet it with quiet acceptance. Let it be known. Let it be held. Stay with your breath as an anchor. Feeling each inhalation and exhalation within the body again and again. Now, take a few moments to rest here